Hello guys, welcome to the Right Agent. Today I'm going to tell you about what supercooling is. So, for example, we have this really clear block of ice that I got from this lid. It's been super cool because it was liquid before and then turned to ice. This is almost clear, as you can see. Look at this. I drank some of the water from there, so there's few areas of holes and stuff. This is where the water came out from. It was really ice cold. So supercooling is essentially when water is below 0 degrees and it freezes, and as soon as any movement or action is placed on it, like this or this or this, it immediately freezes. It all becomes one massive ice block. This is an excellent example. It just literally turned to liquid just now. This is a really good example. It's a bit more on the ice side, but it's still a really good example. Usually, supercooled water will be a bit viscous, like so. Well, it's less viscous than before, since it was super cool before. But you get the point, it will just come out more slowly, it will look a bit more thicker. And that's how you can tell that it's been super cooled. It's really cool. So, super cooling is really amazing. And what I did was I accidentally super cooled. In fact, I didn't actually know that I did until I checked just recently. And I left it for 4 hours and 5 minutes at minus 25 degrees. And you just have to ensure that no movement at all affects the bottle, since any movement from the freezer or any other objects could prevent it from supercooling. And this is really crucial because you want to ensure that the water is below 0, but also has no ice in it as well. So you don't want any ice forming, and you don't want any movement to affect it. In addition, you shouldn't open the freezer at any point during supercooling, because if you do, then it'll end up not being able to supercool due to the temperature change, which means that it could affect how it ends up reacting in the freezer, and therefore could not provide this super cool effect. It's really ice cold water. You can literally hear the droplets, you can literally see the crystals. Look at this. This is amazing. Look, all those little things here and there. Look. Oh, beautiful. But that's not the point. The point is, supercooling is kind of like physics type stuff. So essentially, it's like going from one state of matter to another, except physical rather than chemical, as you physics students will have learned. So it's really cool. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Be bright, stay right, and I hope you enjoy another video.